Hi everyone and welcome back to Benidorm. Another glorious day. Halfway through September and the beach down this end of Benidorm is getting very busy. Seems that Poniente and the Benidorm Old Town End is a hell of a lot busier than the whole Rincon end, to be honest. Yeah, funny, but I'll show you how busy it is. This is Poniente Beach. It's pretty much as far as the eye can see, just nothing but umbrellas. Literally, just either direction, guys. Either direction, just full. Absolutely full. What you like to see, isn't it, guys? Of course, the seafront though, the promenade, not so busy because most people are probably either on the beach or in one of the many bars down here. Poniente, being like Levante, has plenty of bars if you want to pop off, get yourself a cold beverage or even some ice cream. For example, Poniente Beach, Cerveceria and Cocktailleria. Nice bar to go to. Seems like they're changing the pictures down here now to people enjoying Benidorm. Whereas there once were pictures of Benidorm, there were people in Benidorm. Got one of the local lifeguards there, down on the front end. My camera has flipped itself, so hopefully nothing's changed on film. Got our hop there as well. This one is more of a beach themed old hop. Of course, whatever you'll probably need at a beach, to be honest. Water bottles, lilos, kites. Don't think it's windy enough to fly a kite though, but you never know, maybe it is. Got the obstacle course out there somewhere. Right, I'm trying to not work out if I'm on it, but like with me screen it flipped over, I can't really see it. Yeah, I'm probably on it. The obstacle course is likely quarter up this end actually compared to Rincon. So if you are wanting quite a sort of experience on it without the worry of like a load of drunken Brits running about on it and running around like headless chickens, Poniente's your place to come. I'll actually go as far as to say Poniente's probably one of the nicest beaches in Benidorm. Probably the cleanest as well, unbelievably. Try to see how long I've done. About 4 minutes. Just tons of seating areas as well. However, not really in the shade. Me and Mike have found that out a lot this summer when we went for a drink break. If you want to have it in the shade, not really many places to go. Now, something you may see on our beaches is one of these things. It will be a stick in the sand with something on top of it. It may be a beach ball, a fish, maybe like a train or something. Now, some people say they're made for decoration, just made for the hell of it. They aren't. They are made to help kids that maybe have got separated from their parents, so they've got a bit of like a reference point as to where they last saw their parents or something. Or maybe like you go out with the kids, they went to like play on the beach. You could maybe just say, well, like, if you get lost, just look for the beach ball on a stick. Bit weird thing to say, but trust me, it does help. Or you can even use it if you're a bit drunk. Because I mean, it does happen in Benidorm, guys. You have a few too many, then seem to forget where you are. Not a gorgeous day as well. Probably roughly about 30 degrees today, so it is quite hot. Yeah, tons of little beachside gift shops and little beach bars as well down on the other side of the road. And of course the bike lane if you do want to ride your bike or e-scooter. Not that many people do use it. You do tend to see more people riding their bike or e-scooter up the actual promenade. Whereas the bike lane, that's more often used as a footpath for people. One of the main things that got on my nerves when we had e-scooters coming down here, and you get some old biddy walking along in front of you. And no matter how many times you sound your horn for them to move the hell out your way, they still ignore you. Let's see what temperature it is, guys. Hopefully it's higher than what I said. Hopefully. Is it going to work? Taking its time. Over 30, so you know what, maybe about 34 degrees. Anyway, I'm going to end it here because I could do with a drink. So guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and as always, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Adios, mi bueno amigos.